Hi!
Hi.
How are you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
Would you like to introduce yourself to us?
I'm Evelyn and I'm a teacher and I taught with Steve when we went to Cal and did SAT-1 tutoring for kids.
I am going to ask you to give us the top 3 tips to apply for college for high school students. Yeah.
I would say my first tip is to get started early. The earlier, the better. A lot of kids that I worked with, they procrastinate because they don't know how to start. Well, I'd say just start. And which is going to lead to my second tip, is to think about your passions and your interests. I think that colleges want to see who you are, and it's kind of scary to figure out, well, what do I want to say about myself, right? And I think the best way to get a true statement and to really shine on a piece of paper, since you don't necessarily get an interview, and even if you have an interview for private institutions, you need to convince them that they want to see you through a piece of paper and through words. So what are you passionate about? What do you want to talk about? What reflects you on a paper that you want them to see? That leads to my third tip. If you don't know how to start, well, talk to your friends and your family, or talk to people that you feel that you can trust and ask them, what are your strengths? What are some things that you need to improve on? And by talking to them, you will get some ideas of like, hey, yeah, that's true. Oh no, oh yeah, I am interested in that. Or whatever it is, you may not be ready to hear it, but maybe it's a good time to get started. And that's what colleges want to know is, who are you? What are you good at? What can you bring to their colleges? Talking to your family and your friends, I think, is a great starting point to get started early and be true to who you are and what you want to talk about. I'm going to throw in one more is look at your colleges that you're interested in. Figure out what kind of tier is it. Is it going to be your top choice? Your, maybe where you are, your middle, second tier choices that you can get into, and then maybe your third choice is your third tier, which is your fallback. UC schools, public schools are great, private institutions are great too. Just look at and see what you're interested in. So good luck.
Thank you so much, and I will see you soon.
All right.
Bye.